Stop trying to get a funded account and avoid losing your money on buying the challenges again and again and again if you are doing these 3 things that I will explain to you in this video. This is going to be one of the most important videos that I have ever uploaded on my channel. Now before I deep dive into this video and explain to you why do I think that you are wasting your time and you're wasting your money to keep trying to get a funded account when you cannot get one, and even if you want to get a funded account, how can you get it? Let me clear one thing. I am not against any prop firm. I am not against prop firm industry. What I will be saying in this video is just my opinion and it's only for the educational purposes. And I am also a funded trader. I have been funded since 2019 with multiple firms. I do make a decent amount of money from the prop firms, but there is a problem which I want to discuss in this video. Okay, so why am I making this video? It was 2019. I was just a guy who was trading on a $5,000 account and I was literally constantly searching for larger capital so I could use my trading skills that I developed over the years and start making some good amount of money from trading. Well, in my continuous search of larger capital, I happened to land on the FTMO website, and at that time, ladies and gentlemen, FTMO wasn't close to this big as they are right now. Now, what was my purpose in spending 500 euros on taking the challenge from FTMO at that time? Well, of course, just like you all, I also wanted to trade a 6 figures funded account. And this concept of trading a 6 figures account really intrigued me on taking the challenge from FTMO. By the way, I did manage to pass the challenge in my second try back in 2019. Problem is not that everyone wants to trade the funded accounts and the firms they don't pay out. They do pay out, and it's good. Every trader who knows how to trade and how to manage risk want to trade the larger capital, and they should trade the larger capital. I said only the traders who know how to trade and who know how to manage risk should become funded trader. But the problem is when we look at the percentage of the people who are passing the challenges and also the percentage of the people who reach the first profit split, it's almost equal to nothing. Yes, this is a fact that more than 90% of the trader they lose in trading. But my question to you is that if you fall in the 90% of the people who are already losing on their small trading capital, then why do you want to lose your savings on trying to get the funded account when you cannot even make money on your personal trading account? And how do you plan to become a funded trader if you are not even profitable yet? I'm not gonna ignore the fact that if you are a profitable trader and you are making profits week in and week out from your small trading account, you can make good money after becoming a funded trader. But the percentage of people who are passing the challenges and also the percentage of people who are reaching the first profit split, by just looking at the statistics, I am not even hesitating to say that most of you do not even know how to trade. That's the reason you are not able to pass the challenges. So how to change that and how you can actually get a funded account and make money on that funded account. So the first thing that I want you guys to do right after you finish watching this video is that go out and start looking for your edge in the market. Develop a trading strategy. If you do not work on developing a trading strategy and making a trading plan that you will follow every time when you will take the trades, and you don't even know when you need to enter into the trade and when you need to exit from the trade, then it's going to be problematic. So that's why I recommend first start learning a trading strategy. Understand how market structure works, do's and don'ts of your trading strategy that you will be learning, and also understanding your entries and exits. If you're gonna trade without having a proper trading system, then your success is going to be dependent on your luck. You may get lucky and make some profits during the evaluation phase, and you may reach the funded account as well. But I can guarantee if you do not have a trading plan, then you're not going to make any consistent profits at all. So that's why start working on having an edge in the market and also backtest your strategy enough times to understand that how your strategy is going to perform in different market conditions. Now the second reason why I think most people keep failing the challenges and they don't reach the profit split and they don't make consistent profits on their funded account is the lack of patience. If you truly lack this important aspect of trading, not only you will never become a funded trader, but also you are never going to become a profitable trader. Even if you put $100, $200, $500 in your own account, you will never be able to make profits on your account because you will have no patience at all. So you can have a good trading strategy that works 60-70% of the time, but if you truly lack patience, then what's gonna happen? You will always end up chasing the market. When you will see market is not giving you any trade opportunity for the day, because you are impatient and you cannot control yourself, from clicking on the buying and selling button, tick, 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 you will always chase the market. You will buy when you will see market is going to the upside, and you will click on sell option when you will see market is going to the downside. Now, why will you chase the market if you already know that you are making a mistake? The reason is when you see $100,000 or $200,000, these type of figures, you know that you have to get that capital. So your subconscious mind triggers the emotion to your conscious mind, which always result in you taking the random trade opportunities when there is no trade opportunity in the market. So never take any random trades, because most of the times, even if you will be in profits and you are following your trading strategy, but you don't see any trade opportunity for rest of the day or for 2-3 days, because you are too impatient to wait for the right opportunity to arrive, and you want to trade that larger capital as soon as possible. So you will end up randomly taking the trades. And when you will end up randomly taking the trades, most of the times those trades are going to make you lose. And as a result, you will end up losing the profits that you made by actually following your trading strategy. Now, the third thing that I want to talk about today is that this prop firm industry, these funding models that you see, they were never designed for the traders who are too lazy to learn and who just want to get rich quick. They are designed on a purpose to make you fail, because every prop firm now that majority of the traders, when they will see the larger capital, they are gonna take the challenges even when they are not profitable on their small personal accounts. So it's only for those traders who are very well disciplined. They keep their emotions controlled. They do not overtrade. They have enough patience to wait for the right opportunity, because they understand money is being made when you wait, not when you trade. And they are never over risking, which is the most important thing when it comes to the prop firm trading. So that's the third thing in my opinion. And that is one of the reasons that you can never get a funded account, because you can have all the discipline in the world. You can know when you need to trade, when you don't need to trade. But if you don't know anything about risk management, then you can never pass the challenge and make consistent profits on the funded account, because you don't know anything about how risk to reward ratio works. You have no idea when you need to lower down the risk per trade, and you have no idea when you should increase the risk on your trades. So you always end up just randomly taking the first trade with 1% risk, second trade with 3% risk, third trade with 2% risk, and you are not following any risk management system. The problem with this type of risk management system is that you may be following your trading plan, and because you are following your trading plan, so you end up risking 1% on the first trade, and that trade hits the take profit, and you end up making 2% from that trade. But on your next trade, instead of you again risking 1% or 0.5%, what you do, you increase your risk for no reason, and you end up risking 3% on your second trade. And if that trade goes against you, if it hits your stop loss, then you have lost not only the profits from the first trade, but also you lost 1 more % on your account. And this cycle always continue. You always end up over risking, and over risking. So these are the 3 things that are making you always lose the challenge, and that's the dark reality about the prop firms, because most of the traders, they are literally inexperienced. They have no trading strategy at all, and that's what prop firms intrigues you, impress you. You know, when you look at these figures, $100,000 account, $200,000 account, or $400,000 account, you get very impressed by these numbers, and you just want to get that amount in your trading capital, so you can start living that trader's lifestyle that you see on Instagram and that you see on YouTube. So 3 things are making you fail again and again. First of all, no trading strategy. You are too impatient, and no risk management system. Prop firm industry as a whole is only for those traders who are making consistent profits on their account. So instead of getting impressed by these big figures, first learn how to trade, how to control your emotions, how to have enough discipline in trading, and also how to manage risk. Then and only then, when you see you are profitable on your own personal account, then you look for these type of funded accounts, because you know you are confident enough that you will be able to pass the challenge by following a proper risk management system. So that's it from this video. If you guys have got any value out of this video, just let me know in the comment section about your thought, and also leave a like if you liked this video. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.